guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cancel or delete your visual card on Opay. So first thing you have to do is open up your Opay app and log into your Opay. Once you log into your Opay, you're going to click on cards below your screen. Once you click on cards, you're going to click on visual cards since that's what you want to actually delete. So once you click on visual cards, you're going to click on card settings. Once you click on card settings, right, you're going to wait for it to load up. Once it's loaded, you're going to click on cancel visual card right here. Click on that and you're going to click on I understand that canceling cards cannot be recovered. You click on that. You click on next. Once you click on next, please hold on before you say yes, block the card. That's not what you actually need to answer. You're going to read the question right here. It says, is your card so number showing any suspicious transaction? You just say no, next. And once you do that, they'll ask you again and you have to say no, next. If you click on yes, replace card, they're going to actually change the card for you. We're just going to click no, next right here. Once you click on no, next, you're going to see select a reason. So you can just say no need to use this card. And once you click on no need, you're going to click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, they're going to say if you agree, tap sign now to complete your signature. So you're going to click on sign now. So they're going to actually provide something you're going to sign like. Alright, so I'm just going to sign like it. And you click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, Opay is going to ask for your face verification. So you have to actually do the face verification, and once you're done with the face verification, the card is going to be deleted, right? And any subscription you have done before will actually be cancelled automatically because the card will not be in existence anymore. So this is literally how to delete or cancel card on Opay. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.